Liebe Lerner und Lernerin, guten Tag. Diesmal beschäftigen wir uns mit den Adjektiven. Learners, good day. This time, we want to talk about adjective in German. The first thing we need to know about adjective is adjective had more values to noun. A beautiful house, a young man. There we have young, beautiful as adjective. And that's what they do in sentences. And in German, it's the same. Adjective qualifies noun. Adjective help you to know more about the nouns. The only difference in German is what we are going to see with time. But the first thing we want to do, I want to show you some common adjectives in German. Very common. But then we're going to see them now. You will know them. After that, we'll now see how the ending of adjectives are formed in German. Well, we have been talking about changes in ending and all that. It also happens in adjective, just as we see it in article, we see it in possessive pronouns and all that. It also happens in adjective. But then we're going to make it very simple. You're going to understand it. So let's go on now. The first thing is we want to see the common adjective in German. So I have number one. I put them in pairs. So number one, we have alt, and then jung. Say it after me. Alt, jung. I'm going to use it in sentences so that you will get to understand it more. Mein Großvater ist ein alter Mann. Mein Großvater ist ein alter Mann. My grandfather is an old man. So the next sentence, mein Neffe, here is the first one, and then we come to the second one. Mein Neffe ist 17 Jahre alt. Ist ein junger Mann. My nephew is 17 years old. He is a young man. Mein Neffe ist 17 Jahre alt. Ist ein junger Mann. So I go to the next one. So the first pair, alt, jung. You know the meaning by now. Old, young. The next one, groß, klein. Groß, klein. Das ist ein großer Baum. That's a big tree. That's a big tree. Das ist ein großer Baum. Die Uhr ist klein. Die Uhr ist klein. Well, it depends on the kind of Uhr. There is Armbanduhr. There is Uhr. Yeah, we're saying the clock or the wristwatch is small. And the first one is, that is a big, very fat tree. So we have groß, klein, big, and then small. Then we have the next one, dünn, dick, dünn, dick. Das ist ein dickes Buch. Es hat über 900 Seiten. That is a big fat book. It has 900 pages. Das ist ein dickes Buch. Es hat über 900 Seiten. And then the next one. So the next one. Das ist ein dünnes Buch. Es hat nur 20 Seiten. Das ist ein dünnes Buch. Es hat nur 20 Seiten. That's a very thin book. That is a thin book, not fat, the opposite. Das ist ein dünnes Buch. Es hat nur 20 Seiten. It has only 20 pages. Very small. Okay, so we have these 6, very common, but then we're going to see more adjectives that are very common. We use it on a regular basis. We want to see more now. So, but before we go to see more, you're going to repeat after me. Alt, jung. Alt, jung. Groß, klein. Dünn, dick.